I'm, I'm excited today. I'm just excited for the day, man. Today is an exciting day, man. No cap. Today is an exciting day, y'all. Today is an exciting day. Just because, just cause I, just cause I woke up this morning, bro. It's an exciting day. What you know about it? What do y'all know about it? Yo, 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 yo. What's the word? What's the word? What's good? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. What's the word? What's the word? My boy Dre, how you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling today, my boy? Great day to have a great day. No cap. How we feeling today? Great day to have a great day. No cap. Hey, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. First 50 followers getting OG and VIP tags, bro. VIP and OG badges, man. No cap. Shout out all my day ones. Much love to y'all, fam. In these shorts right now. No cap. I ain't gonna lie. It looks like a short day. It looks like a short day. It looks like a short day. Since Tuesday of this week, bro, we just been straight dropping, fam. Since Tuesday of this week, we've been dropping. Dude, I really want to see if these previous day lows gonna get swept. I want to see if these previous day lows gonna get swept, and we have this daily chart volume imbalance right here. Download kick for sure. Black guy, what's good, my boy? What's good, my boy? How we feeling today? How we feeling today? A great day to have a great day. No cap. No cap. Hey, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. If you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. First 50 followers getting that VIP and OG badge. No bull. I appreciate y'all joining in. I appreciate y'all joining in. I'm trying to see, hey, I'm trying to see what Nasdaq got in store for us today, man. I'm trying to see what Nasdaq got in store for us today. What they got planned for our emotional well-being. You see what I'm saying? That boy said he need coffee. He need that fuel. That boy said he need that fuel. I feel you, bro. I feel you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't drink too much coffee for real. I mostly drink like tea. I mostly be drinking tea and shit. It's just something about coffee. It's like imagine like we've all been there when we was kids. Like we used to like eat hella sugar, eat hella candy, get that sugar rush, and then we'll just crash and be tired as hell the rest of the day, bro. That's how coffee is for me. I can't drink coffee, bro, because it's like it gets me up and I'm juiced up, I'm pumped up, but then I'm just down. I'm like I just crashed the rest of the day, bro. I'm tired, bro. I'm dragging. Buying some from my Robinhood account. Hey, let me know something. How is Robinhood? What's it like using Robinhood? Or is that a good platform? I've heard some good things about Robinhood, as well as some, plenty of other platforms. But Robinhood is, I like T more as well. Nah, no cap. You gotta drink it black. Facts. No cap. For real. No cap, bro. Robinhood is good for investments. That's what I've been hearing, man. That's what I've heard. That's what I've heard. You prefer Webull? Webull, I feel like is definitely more like more. Robinhood and Webull are both mainstream investment platforms, but like Webull, I feel like is like a tier above Robinhood, just because of all the people I see and know that use Webull opposed to Robinhood and shit like that, bro. Definitely feel you. I've personally never used either one of those platforms, but it wouldn't hurt to look into it. Webull can see the charts better. For real, like you can see like how what's on my screen, like you can't see my screen, but like the like a trading view kind of chart. Robinhood is mobile traders. I see. I see. Hey, for the people still joining up, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome into the stream, fam. Appreciate you joining up. If you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. No cap. No cap. Goal of 250 followers. Goal of 250 followers. Let's get there, fam. Let's get there. We got 3 minutes to that New York Open bell. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, man. Talk to me nice, man. We got 2 minutes to that 9:30 bell. I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to see something. Hey, drop in the chat. Let me ask y'all. Drop in the chat. What's y'all bias? What's y'all daily bias for today? We going longs or we taking shorts? Y'all speculating longs? Where's CEO? Hey, I gotta bring him over here, bro. Hold on. I gotta bring him over here. Where he at? I can hear. I can literally. I don't know where the little nigga at though. Literally. Now, I don't know where he went. I don't even know where he went, bro. That shit crazy. I think he disappeared, bro. Nah, cause I ain't gonna lie. I got a futon right here. I got a futon right here. I got a futon right here. The little nigga tore a hole in the bottom of it, so he likes to go up in there, bro. Bro, he likes to go up in the bottom. He likes to like chill inside of my futon, bro. So he be. Where he is. I can hear him, bro. I can. Hold on, bro. That is crazy. Where did he go? Anyways, our risk manager not present, bro. Our risk manager not accounted for, bro. Our risk manager not accounted for, bro. That New York bell. Come on, man. That New York bell. Come on, bro. Let's see what we got going on today, bro. Let's see what we got going on today, man. Let's see what we got going on today. Let's see how this market open, man. Let's see how this market open, fam. Low key. Nah, I need Ruben, bro. I need this. I can't even see him, bro. No cap. Bro. Bro, we lost him, bro. Lost him to the depths, bro. Gone, bro. He disappeared, bro. My nigga disappeared, bro. No cap. I can literally hear him though. That's crazy. But this shit's freaking me out, bro. The little nigga's scaring me. Bro, that shit funny. He's literally like right there. You go, bro. Over here playing. There he go. Hey, we got him. We got him. There he go. You over here playing, bro. We got him, bro. Peep. CEO in the building, bro. CEO in the building, man. Come on, bro. What's the word? What's the verdict, Ruben? Let us know, bro. Let us know, Ruben. What's the verdict today, man? My risk manager, bro. He got to be on point, bro. I'm feeding you for this job, man. I'm feeding you for this job, man. Come on, bro. You got to be a present and accounted for, bro. This is serious business. Serious business. Come on, man. All right, bet. We got our new day open gap. Bro, watch out, bro. He be tearing shit up too. That should be annoying. He be tearing shit up. All right, bet. See, we open higher. Now we starting to see a little fall from here. I do want to see 542, 575 get taken. I do want to see 542 and 575 get taken. See, we just took 542. We just took 542, y'all. We just took 542, y'all. We just took 542. We have a gap on the day that needs to be filled. Yeah, I marked out this daily chart volume imbalance, bro. That's what I think price wants to come down to. But let me see. This, yeah. From Monday the 4th to damn, how would you even the hell? How would you even like would that be a gap? That is a gap. That's a gap. And then This is a gap as well. So we have damn. So yeah, we do have this gap right here that needs to be filled with that volume imbalance within it. So hell yeah. I peep. No cap. I peep. Low key. Let me see something, cause I was taking some notes yesterday. Low key, I was in it bit studying. I'm trying to see how, trying to see how this shit play out, man. Trying to see how I can implement this in my trading today, especially with this CVD that my boy Black Guy put me onto yesterday. I'm trying to see how I can utilize that today, bro. No cap. That boy said volume is the truth. Hey, I'm trying to see, bro. I'm trying to figure out. So as expected, as speculated, we dropped down into this volume imbalance right here. We dropped down into this volume imbalance, daily gap, whichever one you want to consider it as. We dropped down into this volume imbalance, daily gap. First presented gap we have is this 933. First presented gap we have is this 933. First presented gap we have is that 933, man. Low key, like I said before, y'all, I'm speculating shorts. I'm still speculating shorts, but it's like that's only because of previous higher time frame price action, man. We've been selling off all week. We've been selling off all week. So would it I feel like it would do me a disservice to go try to go long, bro. I mean, after taking out these lows, we could get presented a setup for longs, but I don't feel like that's gonna be long term for the day, bro. I feel like if anything, we just gonna see some pullback. Maybe do we have any high time frame PDRAs? Depending on how we close right here, depending on how this hourly candle close right here, we'll most likely leave behind this 8 p.m. This 8 a.m. fair value gap right here. See if we get a retracement back into there and continue lower, bro, on some shit. That's really how we could play out. That's really how this AM session can play out. Low key, yesterday, as I said, I was taking notes. I want to see if we get presented an AM session silver bullet. Matter of fact, let's go back and see if we got presented a London Open silver bullet. Let's go back to London Open, fam. No London Open silver bullet, bro. No London Open silver bullet. As far as I'm concerned, as far as ICT's teachings, bro, no London Open silver bullet. And then we got 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. silver bullet. PM session. Oh, and an update for y'all. I'm back on the Lucid, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm back on the Lucid. I'm back on the eval, man. After blowing my funded earlier this week, I'm back on the Lucid eval, bro. After a couple of days on the demo, on the paper trading, now I'm back on the evals, man. I'm back on the evals, bro. So that's another step forward, man. Come on. Another step forward, man. I want to look to my left. What we got. Got an hourly low here. Got an hourly gap here. Reversal. What, 365.25 is reversal price, you think? Oh, my call out is 28171.5. Oh, 171.25. Somewhere around there. Let me see what's to the left. What's that at? Why is that your reversal price? Let us know. What's the framework behind that, bro? Interesting. Thin shelf where price thin shelf where price can reject or travel quickly. Mm. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. Okay, I'm trying to wait and see how price is gonna react after taking out these previous day lows, man. I'm waiting to see how price reacting after taking out these previous day lows. We may show confirmation for continuation to the downside since we just came up into this 5-minute gap right here. That may be what we're doing. We got a minute till 5-minute candle close. Also, the day of the body candle that has gap priced at 136. Hmm. Up my chart a little bit. Drag these not in the way of anything I'm looking. We haven't even touched 20, like anywhere up here. Knew they open gap. Low key. Yo, my boy Phil, what's good, fam? What's good? How you feeling today, my boy? How you feeling? Appreciate you joining up. Appreciate you tuning into the stream. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you for sure. My boy Phil. How's your trading week today? Or how's your trading week been, bro? How's your trading week been, bro? We got 2 minutes till a 5-minute candle close. We might show inversion to the upside on this 5-minute right here. We might show inversion, but we also could just be coming up to tap into this gap. This first presented gap. This 933. This 933 first presented gap. I forgot we even had that. I ain't gonna lie. Bluetooth evals got payout on another account. Hey, everybody clap it up, snap it up for my boy Phil. That boy took a payout. That boy took a payout this week. Proud of you, fam. Congratulations on that payout. Proud of you, fam. You win some. Hey, you win some, you lose some. It's all part of life, all part of the game. I love to see it, bro. I love to see it. Pushing through that adversity. I love to see that shit, man. For real. Love to see it, man. Did we take out high time frame draw on liquidity? Yes. Took out these pre. I'm just keeping note from my trading journal. Did we take out high time frame draw on liquidity? Yes, we did, bro. We did in fact. We did in fact. Did in fact. All right, so we did show inversion to the upside on this 5-minute gap, leaving us with an inverse fair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the hourly. I want to clean up my chart. All right. Damn, and we see this hourly rejection off of this volume imbalance. Okay. I think I like what I'm seeing. We might take longs, man. We might take longs today, bro. We might take longs today, bro. No cap. We might take longs today, bro. Go with four cons. Gonna go with 4 cons. Low key, I'll probably just take it up to here. I don't want to go past consistent. We're gonna reverse back to the downside. Not gonna lie. Yeah, that's why I have. If that's what you're talking about, that's why I haven't hit buy on my limit order yet. Cause I'm trying to see if we just retracing right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We probably just retracing. I just seen this 5 minute inversion and I was like, you know what? That could be a reaction after taking out those previous day lows, but low key. Let's see, man. All right, let's see, bro. 10 a.m. Low key. This is kind of what I was waiting for. I want to see if AM session silver bullet gonna present itself. AM session silver bullet. We do come up to this 15-minute gap. We do come up to this 15-minute gap. We do that. We just came up to this 15-minute gap. I want to see what we do after this right here. Hey, chat, low key. What's y'all's what model do y'all trade primarily? Let me know. Drop in the chat. What model do y'all trade primarily? Like, what's your go-to setup that you be looking? And I'm not asking so I can. I'm not asking for the sake of like, oh, I'm gonna use it. I'm just, you know what I'm saying. I just want to get to know who I want. I want to get to know who I'm trading with. I want to get to know who I'm trading with a little better. What model do y'all be trading? All right, bet we come up to the 25% of new day open gap. 25% of new day open gap. We just wicked it. We just wicked into new day open gap. You use all volume now? That's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro. Hey, welcome in to the stream. Welcome into the stream. Appreciate y'all for joining up. Appreciate y'all for joining up. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. No cap. No cap. Right now, we trading MNQ. We just waiting for a setup to present itself right now. We just waiting for a setup to present itself right now. From market open down to the daily volume imbalance, you could have caught some pretty good shorts. Could have caught some pretty good shorts. I ain't gonna lie. There is definitely good opportunity for shorts there. No cap. Right now we coming up in a new day open gap, filling in this area right here. Right now we kind of sitting at the 25%. And I'm wanting to see how we gonna play off of this. I'm wanting to see how we gonna play off of this right here. He said, he said, I'm in shorts. Let's pray. Where'd you go short from? We just rejected off of this 5-minute order block right here. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see an inversion to the downside. I want to see an inversion of this 10 a.m. 1 minute. You're in shorts already? Shit, bro. Let's see how they play out, bro. Let's see how they play out, man. Let's see how they play out, bro. I'm shorting from 28,837.5. 28,837. Somewhere around here. Yeah, that's where we got this 15-minute fair value gap. That price already been kind of retesting and bouncing up and down from. So I mean, we could want to retest that area once again before coming back down. Because you see, every time we come up to this area, we drop. Come up, we drop again. So I'm like, okay. I do want to see something. I do want to see some. Low key, this was a really good opportunity for longs right here. I ain't gonna lie. After seeing inversion to the upside on the 1 minute with respect to this 947 candle, I could have went long. But it's all right. I could have went long. I could have went long for sure. 844.75. All right. 844.75. Low key. Is that from something you see on the CVD? Hmm. Oh, it's something you made yourself. That's fire, bro. That's fire. That's fire. Low key, we could see a reversal from this area. We could very well see a reversal from this area. One, because if y'all look, we got this little bundle of consolidation right there that we do trade into multiple times. Right? And we reverse from that area every single time we trade into this area. So, but the displacement right now, it's damn. Done. No cap. It's like damn. Imbalance on point. Imbalance upon. Imbalance left behind, bro. We might just shoot for the moon, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, Phil. I'm not exactly sure what made you take shorts, bro. What made you go short, bro? What made you go short, fam? Absorption at key level. Got out at break even. Hell yeah, bro. That's good. That's good. Risk-free trade for sure. That would have been very ideal. That would have been very ideal. Very ideal. Very ideal. The low key might just be longs from here, unless we respect this 4 hour gap, bearish gap. It might be longs unless we respect this 4 hour bearish gap. Cause I'm really just looking at the rejection of this candle, this 4 hour, this 6 a.m. rejection of this 6 a.m. 4 hour candle, bro. No cap. Okay, boom. We tap into this 15-minute gap here. Oh, nigga, what? Nah. Whoa, y'all just saw that, right? Y'all just saw that, right? Nah, that's crazy. Ain't no way. Nah, that's crazy. I know y'all just seen that, bro. I know y'all just seen that, bro. Fuck it. Paper trade it is. Paper trade it is, bro. Paper trade it is, bro. That's crazy. They didn't even let me fill my order, bro. That's brazy. Fuck it. Looks like we not on the eval today, man. Looks like we not on the eval today, y'all. Low-key, I'm not even about to be greedy, bro. I'm gonna just take it up to here. Down to this 5-minute or 1-minute low. Low-key. Oh yeah, GG's. We just lost that trade. GG's. See, you know what? That was God, bro. That was God, bro. That was God, bro. No cap. That was God, bro. He spoke. He spoke, bro. The truth of his word cannot be denied, bro. What? That's crazy. The truth of his word cannot be denied, bro. The truth of his word cannot be denied. That shit crazy. The truth of his word cannot be denied. Not gonna lie, that was not no A plus setup. If I'm be real, that was not no A plus setup for me. It really wasn't. It really wasn't, bro. If I'm be so honest, it really wasn't. It really wasn't, bro. Price targeted previous day lows. Model. First trade. IFVG. Entry model. Entry 28 84375 5 28 84375 28 883 25 stop loss 883 risk. What was our 790? Oh, 790 expected RR 1.67 to 1. 1.67 to 1. I got stopped in profit. Good shit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. See, right now we just we kind of consolidating right now. Between this area consolidation and this 15-minute gap right here. Now we did come up We didn't even wick the 50% of new day open gap yet. I'm not really sure how much that matters if I'm gonna be so real. If I'm gonna be honest, but it didn't move down fast enough. Facts. Low key, what y'all think? Y'all think y'all think y'all think buyers reached their peak? Y'all think we may want to reverse from here? Targeting above 28,985. Maybe, bro. That is, yeah, maybe. And we have a hourly gap here. We got this. I'm sure there's some stops above this wick high for 11 p.m. Our hourly candle. Low key. Y'all go. Don't trade on my eval. No, I'm not taking no more trades today. I'm just having it set up on here. I ain't taking no more trades today though. That was my one and done. I ain't gonna lie. Probably just gonna tape read. Ran straight through this right here. Definitely. Chat, what's the word, man? Only trade Fridays when you have the extra capital, because Fridays can get out of hand. What is it about Fridays though? Like specifically Fridays. Like why is that the case? Low key, let's look at news. What's news? What's new? If I'm not mistaken, we don't have very much news next week at all. Monday's clear, Tuesday clear, Wednesday clear, Thursday unemployment claims, Friday is clear. Damn, we have like no zero zilch news next week, bro. $42 minutes ago at 8:46. Trump tweeted at 8:46. Let me see. If that did anything significant. Not really. Yeah, nah, his tweet didn't really do nothing. You know what's crazy? I got a boy. I got a boy in the Discord, bro. He got a crazy like a consolidation entry model that he showed me. Crazy consolidation entry model. It's pretty interesting to watch. Cause like here, how we wicked above this high, above this wick high, he would probably enter off of that. He would probably enter off of that. Expecting price to go lower from there. Now in shorts, got payouts on top of market manipulation, and we still have war going. Facts. Now in shorts. That's fire, bro. Like I said, Joe, I took my one and done. I took my one and done, but for the sake of kind of seeing how my boys consolidation entry model would play out, I'm gonna set this short position thing right here. I'm gonna set this short position right here. I'm gonna set that short position right there. I was expecting a sweep. Hell yeah, bro. Low key, I want to see inversion of this 10-15 1 minute candle. Yeah, there we go. There we go, bro. There we go. Hey, if you in shorts right now, good shit, bro. No cap. No cap. Good shorts. I ain't gonna lie. Good shorts, my nigga. Good shorts. Good shorts. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, cause fuck that. Fuck that, bro. Fuck that, bro. Tradovate. I got a word for y'all niggas, bro. I got a word for y'all tradovate niggas, bro. No cap. I got a word for y'all tradovate niggas, bro. Hey, y'all fucked up my trading day today, bro. Talking about some maintenance, my nigga. Get y'all shit under control. Hey, get y'all shit under control. Get y'all shit under control, my nigga. Tradovate. I'm coming for you niggas, bro. I'm coming for you niggas, bro. No cap. No cap. Hey, no cap, bro. No cap, bro. What they got going, bro? Them Tradovate niggas playing with me, bro. No cap. Hey, spam L's in the chat. Spam L's in the chat for Tradovate right now. Spam L's in the chat for Tradovate right now on everything I love. Fuck is they talking about, bro? Fuck is they talking about, bro? Spam L's in the chat for Tradovate right now on everything I love, bro. We about to, well, we coming for them niggas, bro. Fuck is they talking about, bro? No cap. Fuck is they talking about, bro? Talking about some maintenance, my nigga. Maintain these nuts, nigga. Fuck is they talking about? No cap. Niggas not playing with them Tradovate. Niggas ain't playing with them folks, bruh. Ain't playing with them folks, bruh. I ain't gonna lie though, chat. That was low key God speaking though. Y'all seen, bro? Literally soon as I switch back to my demo, bro, price ran through my fucking stop loss, bro. Price ran straight through my stop loss, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That was low key a omen, bro. That was low key a omen right there, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. That was low key a omen, bro. Hey, bro, God saved me. No cap. No cap, bro. Nah, but low key, based on like I told y'all, bro, that consolidation entry model, I kind of see how it plays out, bro. I kind of see how it plays out because this is exactly what he be doing. You see a sweep of this wick high on the 1 minute, right? Then you see this 1027 candle, this wick high doesn't go above the 1025 wick high, right? And then you immediately start to see a fall. But mind you, 1031, you see a retracement back into this 1 minute gap, bro. You see a retracement back into this 1 minute gap, the lower quadrant of it. We don't even wick the 50%. You see a wick into the lower quadrant of that 1 minute order block, bro. So I'm just like, bro, what the fuck? What is this? Yo, what is that? Damn. Damn, we couldn't even get a one. Bro, we wouldn't have even got a 1-to-1, my boy. We wouldn't have even got a 1-to-1, bro. We wouldn't have even got a 1-to-1. Don't tell me they about to stop us. Don't tell me they about to stop the maestro, bro. Hypothetical tape read trade. Don't tell me they about to stop out the maestro, bro. Don't tell me they about to stop out the maestro, bro. What they talking about? Hey. Let me see some, bro. He talking about 2 times break even? Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all ain't go, if y'all ain't go short from 9:30 market open down to these previous day lows, or if you didn't go long after taking out these previous day lows, it's wraps. It's wraps, my nigga. It's wraps, my nigga. You missed your window. You missed your window of op. You missed your window of op, bro. Point blank period, my nigga. It's over. It's over, bro. Hang up your jersey. Time to hit the ice bath, bro. Time to hit the ice bath, bro. Practice is over. Practice is over, bro. No cap. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, see this low key. I see why bro talking about don't trade Fridays on the eval though. It's like Because mind you, we got two great windows of opportunity before 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock has been straight bull job, bro. Straight bull job, bro. Like, what is this? What is this? What am I even looking at, bro? I don't even want to look at this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't even want to look at that shit. What are we talking about, bro? Straight bull job, my nigga. No cap. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, chat. It might just be one of them days. It might just be one of them days, bro. Yes, bro. Bro, we gotta recover after this, bro. Hit the ice bath, gang. We gotta recover after this, bro. Muscles is sore. Joints is aching, bro. No cap. After what we seen today? Nah. Nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is unacceptable. I can't accept this, bro. I can't accept this, bro. I can't accept this, bro. No cap. I can't even accept this, bro. That's crazy. But it's interesting as well, cause y'all see we keep wicking below. We keep wicking below this wick high right here. Unless we're about to take it out. Unless we're about to break it though. Unless we're about to break it with this candle right here. Unless we about to break it with this candle right here. Bro. I'm just like, damn. Plus, low-key, mind you, now we probably going long from here. I ain't gonna lie. We definitely continuing long from here. Cause mind you, we inverse that 1032. We inverse that 1032 to the upside with respect to the 1035, bro. Yeah, no, it's wraps, bro. Anybody with a short bias for the day? Go home, bro. Go home, bro. Go home, bro. This ain't no place for you right now. They closed the door in our face, bro. The bouncer said we got a dip. Bouncer said access revoked. We were not granted entry today. No cap. Bouncer said we gotta go. They threw us out, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, bro, this shit crazy, fam. This shit is wild, bro. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Damn, see? That's what I be talking. Hey, let me go to higher time frame though. Yeah. Because mine, yep, that's exactly what that was. Hold on. That's exactly what that was. To respect higher time frame for value gap. Oh yeah, it's definitely longs from here. And bro, I think bro was right. I think bro was right. We might be. Wait, let me go back up in chat. He said. Damn, where did he say that we may want to go higher? Then he said the Bulls might want to go higher than like 980 some. I think he said. I think my boy Black Guy said we might want to go higher. Damn, I can't even recall that shit, but he might be right, bro. He might be right, chat. He really might be right, chat. No cap. He might be right, chat. Damn, bro. Cause I'm just like, bro. I can't. And it's like, mind you, I told y'all, mind you, I literally said I had the order positioned for that 5-minute order block that we inverse to the upside after this one right here, this inverse fair value gap. Mind you, I said I had the speculation for going longs after taking out these previous day lows. We just never came back down to that level. So I mean, either way, eval trade or not, traded on eval or not, I never would have got that. I never would have got my entry anyway. So it's like I'm not even mad at it, but at the very least, I can't say that my speculation was correct to go longs though. That is one thing. Yeah, I see orders up higher, but I want a quick short. Last time for shorts. Damn. Low key. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Don't push it, fam. We already got 2 break evens, bro. Don't push it, fam. Use that discipline, bro. 2 break evens. I ain't gonna lie. That might be like the, I mean, but it could be third time's the charm. Third time could be the charm, bro. Third time could be the charm, my boy Phil. It could be the charm. I need my money, nigga. He said I need my money. Hey, Nasdaq, we need that bread. We coming for that bread, bro. We coming for that bread, bro. Here comes the reverse. We coming for that bread. Hey, my boy Phil said he need that cho. Here comes the reverse. Low key, you could be right. You could be right, fam. I just don't know. I don't like this little storm we caught up in right now. I don't like this storm we caught up in right now. This really irking my nerves, bro. I don't even like looking at this, bro. It feels like, are you ever like look in the mirror after waking up, you got sleepy seeds and all the lines on your face from the pillow? That's what that looks like, bro. That looks like a fresh wake up face. No cap. I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit, bro. No cap. I don't like that shit. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that, chat. No cap. I don't like that, bro. Hey, drop in the chat. Who taking shorts right now? Here comes the revent. Here come the reverse. Hey, I'm trying to see what y'all see, bro. I'm trying to see what y'all aiming for, bro. But it's like, if y'all take shorts, let me ask y'all something. If y'all take shorts right now, what's your take profit? Like, what level do y'all see price coming back down to? Nah, we were consolidating and buyers were getting weaker. Facts. No, that's facts. That's facts for sure. That's facts for sure. I mean, even right here, y'all can see the volume starting to, like, nah, man, you see what I'm saying? Just with this little volume thing, you can see the buyers starting to trickle out. Damn! That was probably the last move before. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, if you in shorts right now, good luck, bro. I'm wishing every single one of y'all luck, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Finally got my money and passed it. Hey, everybody clap it up for my boy Phil. We just gotta pass the eval. No cap. Somebody clap it up. Everybody clap it up for my boy Phil. W's in the chat for Phil. W's in the chat for Phil right now. I want to see them W's. I want to see all them W's right now for my boy Phil. No cap. W's in the chat. He just passed his eval. Hey, proud of you, my boy. I love to see that shit. Proud of you, my boy. Pass that eval. Yes, sir. No cap. No cap. Let's go, my boy. What we talking about? Hey. Through the storm, we still passed that eval. Through the storm, we still passed that eval, man. That's what I love to see. That's what I love to see, bro. That's what I love to see. And it's like, Black God, if you took that short, that could have been that quick short that you was aiming for. That could have been the quick short that you was aiming for. Low key. Low key, because we just wicked this inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute. And like I said, I see price continuing higher. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I see price continuing higher. We wicked that inverse fair value gap, and now we seeing displacement to the upside. Like crazy. So it's like, I don't know though. I'm just trying to, as of right now, I'm just trying to like just look at the market for what it is. I'm not even trying to speculate nothing because my speculation's been getting proved wrong left and right, bro. So it's like I don't even think market knows what it wants to do. I don't even think market knows what the hell it want to do. We walking in circles, bro. We walking in circles, bro. We walking in circles, bro. I saw it. I want the bigger one so I can request my payout for the weekend. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm low-key glad I ain't take no trade on my eval. Even though I really wanted to, bro. I'm glad I didn't, bro. I'm really glad I didn't. But it's like maybe I did myself a disservice by waiting for 950 1010 macro, bro, cause bro, we literally have the setup right here, bro. Right here we have the long setup, bro. After taking out previous day lows, my nigga, we see the setup. Inverse fair value gap. We inverse to the upside. We don't come back down to the inverse fair value gap, but we see respect to this 9:47 a.m. 1 minute gap. And then we see displacement to the upside. So I'm just like, bro. Nah, you know what that was? You know what that was? That was this inverse fair value gap. We came down to that 50% and then we saw that rip. It just didn't give me the inverse fair value gap entry that I would have desired. You feel what I'm saying? That I would have desired, bro. I think it's gonna drop a bit, but then go up again. Maybe, bro. Maybe. But I missed a pretty good setup for longs, which is cool. Hey, now, cause mind you, I told y'all, hey, every stream, every session I trade, wins or losses, bro. We about to document it, bro. I ain't one of them traders that's gonna bullshit my P&L with y'all. Oh, I only take wins. No, y'all. Hey, look, bro, my nigga, y'all see on the demo, we took a loss, bro. We took a loss today, bro. So it's like, hey, now we about to journal that shit. We about to journal that, bro. Where's my OneNote? There we go. We about to journal this, bro. Right now, we about to journal this. We are about to journal this. No cap. We about to journal this right now. All right, so boom. So I can get rid of this first trade because I ain't taking no more trades today. All right, so my weekly bias, I mean, even though it's already Friday, price action has shown a massive bearish run since Tuesday on higher time frames, sweeping lows with strong continuation towards sell side liquidity. My daily bias for the day was short because, and my reasoning, I'm speculating shorts for the day because of how near we are to high time frame draws on liquidity, which in this case would be low resistance, previous day lows. We also have a daily chart volume imbalance that I think price could want to draw down to as well. Did we come down to those levels? Yes, we did. As y'all can see, if y'all was looking at my chart, we saw that. We literally saw that. So what higher time frame draws on liquidity was price targeting, previous day lows. Matter of fact, and I'm gonna put daily chart volume in imbalance. Daily chart volume imbalance. So for the trade that I took today, what was What was my entry model? Inverse fair value got entry model. Now, mind you, if I can recall, I had my entry at the 50%. I had my entry at the 50% of this inverse fair value gap, but it filled me up here for whatever reason, bro. It did the same shit yesterday. It did the same. I don't know why it be doing that, bro. But was this the A plus trade? I ain't gonna lie. No, it was not, bro. This was not no A plus trade. My trade was not in A plus. Was not in A plus trade. Was not an A plus trade. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Because we already start to see consolidation. We already start to see consolidation. Like you know what I mean? Like this is like literally the beginning of the storm, bro. Even in these two 1 minute candles right here, consolidation before we break up. Then we come back down to the consolidation area before coming up. Then you start to see we just keep bouncing up between this area, this gap where we see consolidation from previous price action. And this 15 minute, if I'm not mistaken, that was an order block. I think this right here was an order block on a 15 minute. So that was not an A plus trade. So I take accountability and responsibility for that lack of discipline in the sake of, I guess, waiting for stronger confirmation of price wants to go lower, and then, you know what I'm saying, confirmation of continuation to the downside. I did not wait for that. I did not wait for that. Now, did I follow my trading plan to go short with my initial trade? Yes, I did. With this trade, yes, I did. I followed my trading plan to go short. However, did I wait for confirmation? Nah, I didn't. Was I patient? I mean, we definitely waited. But at the same time, I feel like we was patient, but the trade was also impulsive, bro. I feel like it was definitely impulsive, bro. It was definitely impulsive, bro. Especially being on the 1 minute, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I need to start getting out of the habit of trading just on the 1 minute, bro. Like I should have waited for for the 5 minute or the 3 minute to show me some kind of like confirmation price wanted to go lower, and then go back on the 1 minute and look for that confirmation of continuation. That was an impulsive trade. So you know what? Let's be men. My nigga, let's be real. Let's be real, chat. I was not patient enough. I was not patient enough for this trade. I was not patient enough. No, I was not. How did I feel? Emotions check before my trade, chat. Emotions check before my trade. I went long while I was in the I went long while I was in the bathroom. That's funny. How did I feel? Chat? Low key? If I'm be real, I was kind of feeling antsy. I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of feeling antsy. I'm not gonna lie. My trigger finger was itching. Only because my bias was already shorts. And I was speculating that price would want to come up, would want to retrace, go up, and then continue to go long or continue to come back down for shorts. And it was just like I didn't know when price would want to start, or when buyers would want to start slowing down for the sellers to start coming into the market once again. So I ain't gonna lie, we men. Let's be men, bro. Accountability. I was feeling antsy. I was feeling damn. I ain't gonna lie, for lack of better words, I feel like that's really the only way I could describe how I was feeling. I was feeling antsy, bro. Low key. Results. We took a loss today. What's the reason for that loss? Execution, emotion, Random market noise. I don't think that consolidation in the market is random market noise. Even still, going back to my chart right now, we still see that, bro. We still see that market noise, bro. But I don't think it's random either. So I don't think I could use that as an excuse. My strategy, low-key, my strategy did fail me, but only because of my execution. So I ain't gonna use my strategy as an excuse. Are we all in Nasdaq sales? Yes, low-key. That was the daily buy. That was the bias for today, bro. Oh, and mind you, hey, how do you say your name? 10NBA. I appreciate you joining up for the stream. I don't know how long you've been in here, but if you're new to the channel, fam, make sure you hit that follow button to stay locked in. We live every single Monday through Friday like clockwork, 10 minutes before market open. All right. So if you want kick, join that stream. Hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. No cap. I appreciate you joining the stream, fam. But yes, we are all in Nasdaq sales, gang. We are all in Nasdaq sales right now. I'm just journaling my trade. I'm journaling the trade that I took today. Which was a loss on my demo. Thank God, cause tradovate was bullshitting with me, talking about some maintenance, bro. This, maintenance, that, bro. Fuck that, bro. No, bro. What you talking about? Could I take this trade again? I would never. Matter of fact, no. I would never. I would never. Fuck no. What they talking about, bro? Fuck no. I would not take that trade again. Biggest lesson from this trade. All right, so we gonna reel it back in, bro. We gonna reel it back in, and we gonna come back to the chart. Bro. Hold on. Let me take y'all there. Let me take y'all back to the chart, fam. All right, there we go. Boom. What's the biggest lesson that could be taken from today's trade? I feel like, bro, I feel like I did myself a disservice by not taking that trade, but it's like I said, bro, like I mentioned plenty of times before earlier, bro. After we take out these previous day lows, bro, we see that inversion to the upside on the 5 minute, bro. And then it's like, just like, bro, low key, I just peeped something. I just realized something. I just looked at something, bro. So we see this massive 955 minute candle, right? We see this massive 950 candle, right? That inverses not only the 935, but the 935 minute gap as well. We have two gaps as well. Mind you. Now it's like price come 955, you see price come back down to the upper quadrant of that inverse fair value gap, of that turn inverse fair value gap, bro. And then you see price continue higher. But at the same time, I probably would never. So we're all targeting the 15 low at 28,400. Low key, something like that. Hey, is price continuing lower? Hey, if you're in shorts right now, good shit. Bro. A couple of y'all in the chat said y'all was going shorts a few minutes ago. Y'all shorts are definitely playing out pretty clean right now. I see some pretty clean shorts price action right now. Except for this bundle of bullshit. Whatever that bundle of bullshit is, I don't like that. I hate bundles of consolidation, bro. That shit makes me nervous. I ain't gonna lie, in the market, bro. Seeing, like, especially if I'm in a trade, bro, seeing consolidation, price consolidate within my trade, that shit makes me nervous, bro. That shit irks my nerves, gang. I ain't gonna lie, but All in all, bro, biggest lesson for today, I feel like I need to look for how price reacts off of sweeping high time frame draws on liquidity, because I had every right and opportunity to go long. It was just the entry I was looking for wasn't presented, bro. It wasn't delivered, bro. It wasn't delivered, bro. It wasn't delivered, bro. This right here, that was gonna be my entry. This was gonna be my entry. No cap. I even sized down my contracts to go long here, bro. But I feel like that was the lesson for the day. So, hey, lesson for the day. We about to go back to OneNote. We about to go back to the OneNote. We about to go back to the OneNote. Now, biggest lesson for today. Keep, cause it's supposed to be in one sentence. One sentence. What's the biggest lesson? Dang, bro. What's the biggest lesson? Oh, my boy Phil. I don't know if I gave you your OG and VIP badge yet. Let me write your name down so I can remember that shit. 47282. 782. I gotta look and see. And then 10 NBA 21. 10 NBA 21. I'm gonna give you your shit too. But in one sentence, low key, keep watch of how price reacts to sweeping. Cause it's like, be mindful of how price be mindful of how price presents confirmation of continuation after sweeping high time frame draws of liquidity. There we go. Boom. That's our lesson for today, chat. That's our biggest lesson from this trade for today, chat. I ain't gonna lie. That's our biggest lesson for today, chat. No cap. How many trades did we take? That's our end of day review. So we gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that for when I do that shit later. But our biggest lesson for today, chat. Be mindful of how price presents confirmation of continuation after sweeping high time frame draws on liquidity. No cap. No cap. That's our biggest lesson for today. No cap, bro. So low key, I feel like we low key had well, from Wednesday from Wednesday moving forward, we low key had a pretty decent trading week. We took two W's. Which was Wednesday. We took this W right here. We took this beautiful short. Right here. Right? And then we took this on Thursday, yesterday. We took this short as well, which played out beautifully. Oh, I didn't even profit. And there we go. Facts. There you go. Now, profit went. Hell yeah, bro. Then today we took the loss, which is expected, bro. Losses are to be expected. We can't take those to the heart. We can't take them losses to heart, bro. We take them as they come. We learn from our mistakes, then we brush them off. We don't hold grudges, bro. We don't hold grudges against the market, bro, because I promise you, the market will pin you down, bro. The market will pin you down and show you who is the alpha, bro. No cap. The banks, institutions, all that, bro. They will show you who's the big dog, bro. No cap, bro. So you can't take these losses to heart, bro. They gonna show you. They gonna show you, bro. They will show you. Oh, you bucking up to the market? Oh yeah. Put this little nigga in his place. No cap. Put this little man, put little mans in his place. Stop him out right here. Stop him out. No cap. That's what they gonna do, bro. I promise you. Can't take that shit to heart. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys and gals, all of y'all in this stream, fam. This has been quite the stream, y'all. But with that being said, I feel like this is a pretty good. I feel like this is a pretty good way. I feel like this is a pretty good way to end off the week. I feel like this is a pretty good way to end off the week. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. We came back. We re-upped on the eval. Tradovate was low-key bullshitting with me. I ain't gonna lie. But it ain't nothing to take as I say, it ain't nothing to take a step back. A step or two. Trade on the demo. Trade on the paper trade, bro. Get back in that groove, bro. Know what I mean? At the end of the day, we want to protect that capital, bro. We want to protect that capital. How long, bro? How long is your period of survival? How long can you survive, bro? This shit is the Hunger Game. This shit really is the Hunger Games, bro. This shit really is the Hunger Games, bro. How long can you survive, bro? I ain't gonna lie. This shit really the Hunger Games, bro. Know what I mean? That's really what it boiled down to, bro. How long can you survive in this shit, bro? Protect that capital. And that's my message to y'all. Chat, protect that capital. Next week, I want to see y'all. I want to see y'all boys and gals in the stream. I want to see y'all in the chat. Present and accounted for. We gonna have perfect attendance. Let me know in the chat right now. Is we gonna have perfect attendance next week in the stream? Let me know. Bro, my problem is I lose one trade on my account and then I just full port. My biggest I ain't gonna lie. But let me ask you something, bro. Cause let's break it down, bro. Let's be men, bro. Let's be men. Let's break it down, bro. First of all, what size accounts do you be buying, bro? 25K, 50K, 100K, 100. Like what size account do you usually like to trade on? Let's really break down the issue, bro. Let's be men. $50Ks. All right, so bet. What's your risk tolerance, bro? What's your risk tolerance? What's your risk tolerance? Cause it's like if you lose one trade, you know what I mean? Cause usually I try to go for like 500, 100K count are better in my opinion. I ain't gonna lie, that's low key a fact. And one thing, one of my boys in the trading Discord, he told me, he really put something in perspective for me. It's like people eval as fast as possible. You want to pass your eval as fast as possible. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. But at the same time, like me personally, I like to trade my evals how I would trade my funded. I don't like to divert from the trading plan. So it's like if my risk tolerance is $500 on a funded, I'm going to be trading $500 on my eval. You get what I'm saying? So if I lose, so me personally, I trade 50K accounts to 2,000 maximum loss limit. So I have 4 opportunities for 4 losing trades. For 4 losing trades before I blow that account. So if I'm over here, you know what I'm saying, sizing up, going 1,500. Yeah, I know, but just when I lose my mind, gets, and then I just don't care because my head is in a bad space. So I just full port and mostly lose. Bro, that's the thing, bro. You gotta, it's a certain level of acceptance, bro. And mind you, at the end of the day, prop firms are not meant for us to win. That's why in the long, bro, in the long run, bro, I preach prop firms should never be your long-term platform, bro. Trade these prop firms to convert to live, bro. Trade these prop firms to convert to live because you have the most control over everything you got going on when you're in a live account, bro. You don't got no prop firm telling you how much you need to make or what kind of buffer size you need, any consistency rules, none of this bull jive, bro. They have, bro, people day trade so they can have control and freedom over, you know what I'm saying, the money they make bro, the honest, brutal, honest truth, prop firms don't give you that control that you're looking for. It doesn't. It really doesn't, bro. So you got to have a certain level of acceptance when you lose on a prop firm, bro. So my advice to you is when you lose, I don't know how much you're risking per trade in a single loot, like any single trade, bro. Whether it's 500, 1,000, a band in 500, shit. Maybe you trading your whole goddamn on maximum loss limit, 2 bands, 2 bands. Maybe that's what you risking. But when you take a loss and you already know that you get into this mind frame, this mindset, immediately hop off the charts. Close trading view, close out. Matter of fact, shut down your computer. If it's on your phone, bro, toss your phone across the room, bro. Go outside, bro. Take a breather. Drink some water. Hit some push-ups. Get that dopamine out your system, bro. Get that dopamine out your system with some push-ups. On everything I love, just do some push-ups or something, bro. Do some push-ups, bro. Because the last thing you want to do is blow your account and then tear yourself down knowing that you fell back into the same undisciplined habits, bro. So then next time you go onto the charts the next day or the next session, whenever you trade, you can size down, bro. It ain't nothing to size down and take, you know what I'm saying, take a trade that doesn't pass in one day. That trade that you take, maybe it's going to be a winning trade, right? That trade, you could win that trade, and that just brings you back up to a safe position to where you can, you know what I'm saying, maybe size up a little more. I'm not telling you to size up. I'm not telling you what to do. But yeah, bro. Like I have the 4 chances to loss limit, but my mind is bad. Bro, that's the mastery of self, bro. That's what it boils down to. That mastery of self, gang. That mastery of self, bro. That mastery of mindset, bro. No cap. But I'll leave you with this. I'll leave you with this gem. And it's probably been rehearsed and you've heard it over and over and over. But sometimes that's what we need, bro. Sometimes we need that broken record. Just step away from the charts, bro. Step away from the charts. Hit some push-ups, bro. Make sure to also, if you journal your trade, good. If you don't, start doing that, bro. Because it makes so much more of a difference when you write something out and you can visually see, damn, I'm fucking up. I'm messing up, bro. Like, I'm messing up opportunity for myself, right? Like, bro, make sure you write things down, especially because it's the same as if like you're in college or you're in school, bro. When you take notes and you write things down, like me personally, I've been in college. I'm not in college no more, but I've been, you know, we've all been in school. Just the note-taking process, bro. When you write some shit down, it helps you memorize that shit more. So the more you write it down, shit, I don't care if it takes 50 losses and 50 times for you to write down, bro. I gotta stop doing this and that. Eventually it's going to play out, bro. Eventually you going to have that breakthrough where eventually, even if you're continuing to do it, it's going to be less and less and less. And then it's going to be, you know what I'm saying? That's not going to be an issue you have no more, bro. So size down, journal your emotions, journal your mindset. And also have a ritual, bro. Have a ritual that gets you out of that mindset as soon as you feel it, bro. Like a ritual, like a trigger stop. You know what I'm saying? Almost like the safety on a gun, bro. Like you gotta have something to where like it just clicks that safety in, so you don't keep firing, bro. So you don't keep letting off. You get what I'm saying, bro? So it's like, bro, make sure you have like a recovery ritual. You know what? Term of the day, recovery ritual. Set up a recovery ritual for yourself, bro. And I promise you, all will sort itself out as long as you want it bad enough for yourself to get yourself out of these undisciplined habits. Cause I'm not perfect either. I just blew my funded account this week. I'm not perfect either, but I mean, I leave you with that. And with that being said, like I said, bro, every Monday through Friday, if you're new to the channel and you're in this stream right now, every Monday through Friday, bro, every Monday through Friday, we're here live, 8:20 Central, 9:20 Eastern, 10 minutes before that 9:30 market open bell. I will see y'all next week, Monday. Peace.